Hello everybody, I'm back again. So today I am here, not for another giveaway. Someone commented, well, messaged me and asked me if I can do sets like the ones I'm doing for the giveaway put on my shop. So I went ahead and whipped up 5 of them, and I'm going to list them in my shop. So I just wanted to let everybody know that I went ahead and did that, and I'm only putting 5. And I guess I will show you real quick. They're a little bit different, but not that much from the ones I'm doing on the giveaway. But of course you will get the stains. And these are the packets that they're already set and ready. But I left one open so that we can go through it real quick. And like I said, it's similar to the other ones, but they have some stuff that's a little different. So like the other ones, you get the little spelling words. I think there's 10 of them in here. You get 3 of the pink tickets. I didn't have a lot of tickets anymore, so I went down to 4. Sorry guys. And then I added some of these cute little tags, which there should be a total of 4, which I don't know where the other ones went. I hope I didn't put them in another bag. If not, I will I will put more, but they have the little elastic string, so that's cute. Oh, there's another one. Yeah, the other one's probably somewhere in there, but it's a total of 4 of these, and these are made out of like cardstock. So it's 4 of those. The other one should be in there somewhere. And then you get a alteration tag, a layaway tag. I guess I'll put them on this side. One of these large coin envelopes, and then there's 2 of the tiny ones. There's a glassine bag, and these have one of these library cards. The giveaway doesn't have these. Then 2 small doilies, and then a small little envelope, and then of course you get the 2 little heart tags, and then there's 2 of these. Should have put these on this side, the little ones. And then there's 1 cute little index card. How cute are these? And they're lined. And you get 2 of these I guess, what do you call them, dividers for your index cards. And then 2 of these small ones. I know 3. I know the giveaway one had the larger ones also, but I don't have no more of those. I just have a couple. I didn't have enough for all 5, so yeah, only 3 of these tiny ones in here. And then you get 2 of the guest checks, the pink ones, and then there's also 3 of the green ones. And then you get 2 of the cute little index cards, 2 of these plain cards, which is white and craft color, and then 2 of these cute little tickets. There will be 3 library cards, and then 2 of this size coin envelopes. And this is a little lighter than this one here, so pop those there. And then you get 2 of the recipe cards, and these I did not add to the giveaway ones, but there's 2 sheets of these, and they're just lined paper. And also this is not on the other one. The thingy is called, it's one of these, and these are from 1985. They're daytimers, and that one was brand new, so you get 1 of each, which was the to be done today, notes and memos made in August. Of course, they're all different months. And this is time record for service performed and diary. April expenses and reimbursement records. And then you have the expense on the back. Oh, I guess they're kind of, not that one. They have something different on the back. Well, not those. And then this one, your auto trip expense logs. I guess this is for people that travel for work related jobs. And then you have the calendar. This is 1984 and this is November and December on the back. And then you got your little plane, I guess, for notes. And then this one also came, I guess these are little labels that you would lick, but you don't want to lick them. That's nasty. But it says memo subject, post to page dated. So yeah. So those, I put a page of each on all of those, but those are not in the giveaway. These are also recipe cards. These are also not in the giveaway. So you get 2 of those. And then you get one of these little paper baggies, little paper sacks. And this one is just one of those. These are not on the giveaway. And then I did go ahead and add some of these old 1864 vintage pages. And I brought the book this time. I paid $2 for it, guys. And as you can see, it's falling apart, but I love the cover. But yeah, it's an old book. I love the tape there. And yeah, it's 1864. So this is the book where I took those pages from. So yeah, I'm gonna make me a journal with those covers. I love it. Anyway, so yeah, sorry, go back, Patty, focus. Then you get one of these sheets. These are, I guess, for wine info. You place the label there, and then you write the information, if you have any comments, the taste, the banquet, served with, yeah, all kinds of fun questions there. I'm not a wine person. This is also an old book, but it's not that old. I think I put that one away already too. Yeah, it's not here. It's not that old, but this is like a coin book that gives you information about the old coins out there. You get a time card. You get 2 of these large ones. The giveaway had these 2 and then 2 small ones. I don't have any more. I have like 3 of them, so I kept those. And then you get one of these invoices. You get one of these trifold time cards, the small ones. I didn't put this on the giveaway. And then the 2 envelopes here with that nice texture. I don't know if it'll come out on the camera, but yeah. So 2 of these, 1 large index card, and then here's the music sheet paper. And so yeah, they all have the same thing. And I'm going to call them starter kits for my Stainz. And so yeah, you can use these goodies to stain them, or you can use them however you want to play with them. Try to get them a little bit in order there. But yeah, you can use them, like I said, however you want to use them. But I just wanted to share real quick that I did go and do the little kits. Hey, I'm missing one of these. I'm gonna have to add another one of these before I close it. I think I must have added it to another one of the baggies. So I have to do that. But yeah. So these will be listed in my Etsy hopefully soon. As soon as I'm off the video here, I will go ahead and list them up. But yeah, so it'll be the packet with a jar of Stainz. Okay, so for those of you that are interested, give me a few and they will be listed there. And that's all for today, guys. So I will see you guys in my next video. You guys take care. God bless. Bye.